All right, today we're gonna bring a fan, and this is a RGB lighting fan. It's gonna turn on, and it has different speeds. It comes with remote control, and so we're gonna take a look at it and see how it works. Now, simple, very simple installation. You got to make sure you have a nice frame on the top of the roof where you're gonna set this up. All you got to do is make sure you marry the system connection. It only takes 3 cables: ground, hot, and neutral. Removing the system out of here, the back frame, is just simple. Just loosen up the screws, and you're gonna have to set this up on the top. But this is what you got to worry about. Only the 3 cables, like I said. It has hot and neutral right now, and then we're gonna also ground it too. So just make sure that this box is not blocking anything. You have at least those 2 connections to power it up, and it's a very simple process. Set this up on the roof, on the ceiling that you have your system, tie it up, lock it in place, and then tie these up. All right, so let's set this up, and here's the actual ground that I'm talking about. All right, Alright, so we got the light on, and we're gonna turn it off so you guys can see that it's working. So look how it fades out, right? Then we turn it back on. So we got the light. We're gonna do fan number 1. Alright, and I'm gonna get you guys up and close and personal so you guys can see it. That's number 1. We're gonna go all the way to 6. And I'm gonna turn the light off just a little bit, just down a little bit. Look at that. So there you have it, the fan number 1 all the way to number 6. This is number 6. We're gonna turn off the fan. All right, fan's off. We're also gonna install the application too. I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So let's go ahead and change the lighting. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and change the light. This dim it, you could dim it down by holding down the button. Look at that. It's dimming down, and we're gonna go back up by clicking. All right, highest, and then we're gonna change the Ks. All right, different types of Ks. That's 1. That's 2. And then daylight. So let's go ahead and change the lights here. We're going to change the RGB lighting, if you guys can see that. So you can have the RGB light. We're going to change it to different colors too. All right, turn it back on. I'm going to change the color. Cycle color. So many different colors. Look at that. And of course, we're going to change the type of RGB lighting. All right, so not just one solid color, but also different kinds of colors. You could even do the rainbow part, if you guys can see that. Beautiful. So if you want to set this up in your room, give it a nice aesthetics to the actual room and lighting. Look at that. Let's change the different tones. So it's going to start different ones. All right, just by us clicking down. Look at that, different tones. I like this one. So let's keep changing them. This one has hundreds of different ones, and I'm gonna show you with the app what else you can do with the app. Right, so we're gonna go ahead and change it. Look at this. This is a slow fade, disco lights, and Christmas lights here. So we're gonna go back to normal, back to the normal lights, and let's go ahead and set up those applications so you guys can see how it works. All right, first of all, we're gonna install the app, and we got it downloaded right here. If you guys can see it, it's right there. It's called Lumery. All right, so we're gonna go in and set it up. So with the app, you just hit plus. All right, it's gonna start looking for the device, but if you cannot find the device, you're gonna have to power this off 5 times. All right, we're gonna turn this off until it starts blinking. All right, and you'll see it when it starts blinking. We're gonna turn it a couple times off, and there it is. So it starts blinking now. We're able to go to our application. All right, that device, and there it is. Once you hit the plus, it comes up, and look at that, automatically came up. And then you hit done. All right, with done, now that we have the colors, we could change the colors from here. Right, so right now we're at this color. We could change the color to completely the white. All right, if you guys can see that, completely out. We're gonna change it anywhere we want. We could just do any color here, but then we're gonna go to colors. All right, we're gonna turn the colors on. We could do solid colors. If you guys can see solid colors, we're gonna change this to purple. and then we could just use our fingers to move it anywhere around. And the best thing I like about this, check this out. So we're gonna go back to solids, all right? We're gonna go back to solid light, all right? Now, once you go in solid light on the app, what I like about it, that they have different tones, different templates in here. So you want the rainbow, look at this. We're gonna change it to rainbow here. They got hundreds of different tones, if you guys can see that. Wild chimes, look at that. And then audio. So right now, we're gonna do tests. We're gonna do a music, all right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is playing like audio. So if you have music playing in the background, you can do this. And then, of course, we could control the fans too from here. Not just the audio, but the fans too. And then here, you could set up countdown timers, light up strip, and then other things that you can do. So not only is it available, accessible to the actual system, we're going to put the light on, but you could even turn it off remotely. So if you leave it on or you forget to do it, you just automatically come in there and turn it on. Very simple, out of the box. Just turn it off and on and starts blinking. That means it's going to identify on here. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video.